what's up, guys? So, y'all might have been wondering, Mark, where the hell you been, bro? Where you been? Everywhere. Nah, I'm just kidding. I've been busy. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a long time, and I apologize for that. School, work, life, drama with life, my bad. Whole bunch of stuff involved, and I'm sorry for not vlogging or things like that nature, but there's stuff coming. Don't worry about it. Shh. But anywho, yeah, I'm getting ready for Anime Matsuri. Getting ready for that. I'm gonna show y'all some stuff. Hang on, let me show y'all some cool stuff. What I've been doing is this. Making stuff. You see that big blaster right there, dog? That's what I'm making. Dude, I got the freaking Kingdom Heart blade ready to go. Look at that. I just gotta frame that up. I've been kind of busy. Like I got a tote gun on deck. Boy, what you know about it? Boy, I've been in it good, boy. I got so much stuff here. That spider one, though, took me hours to make that. Hours. I got a lot of stuff coming up. I got Matsuri. I'm gonna actually do Artist Alley. Mini con coming up. You guys check San Antonio. I'll be there. Hope to see you guys there. Hope you guys have fun seeing me. If you're in Houston, you know, seeing a face that match everything, basically. Hope I will see you guys there. And if not, you know, like I said, I got, you know, more stuff coming from YouTube. So I'm not giving up on YouTube. I don't care how this whole YouTube community creators thing is going on. I don't care about that. I'm still gonna push out videos. I'm still gonna do live streams. I'm still gonna make semi-funny skits. Semi-funny. Whatever. Anywho, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys like it. If you guys, make sure you subscribe, though. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification for your boy one time. And then leave a comment, you know, say you miss me or hi. Whatever. Don't matter. Hope to see you guys at Matsuri. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. I'm out.